Well, this is unexpected. Hey, what's going on everybody? Rick here at Universal Orlando Resort, and my expectation for today was to show you what's new at Islands of Adventure. But I've got some cool updates for Studios too, so I guess it's going to be a two-park update. We'll start here at Studios and then make our way over to Islands of Adventure. They have some HHN rigging very, very close to the front gates. I would like to mention, I'm so happy they have the South Entrance Pavilion open. There it is. It's finished. Well, I use the word open lightly. I gotta go over here and get in this line. And this HHN rigging here, sort of the start of the park where Dr. Oddfellows is gonna be. They've added some speakers and lighting. Continuing in the Dr. Oddfellows Scare Zone, they've added some new rigging and props. In fact, the last update video I showed you the foot pedals where they can press stuff. They've kind of added a few little props there to hide the foot pedals. The restrooms by the Today Cafe still have construction walls up. I do not think these will reopen by the time of Halloween Horror Nights opening night. The Zodiac Scare Zone, they've added some barrels. Uh-oh, watch out, this prop, something's been added. It's covered in tarp. A little too gruesome for the daytime crowd, but we'll be excited to see it during HHN. Let's take a look inside of the Five and Dime. Here is a $33 Chucky shirt I haven't seen before. Take a look at that. For $75, here's a new Halloween Horror Nights 23 flannel shirt with kind of like a bleach distress. For $30, here is a t-shirt version. Graphic on a t-shirt this time, not a flannel shirt. For $75, a Never Go Alone Spirit jersey. Oh, this is more like a t-shirt. It's a thin material, not as heavy as other Spirit jerseys I've seen. That's the back. Flip it around. There's the front. Glows in the dark. Speaking of Never Going Alone, here is another Never Go Alone t-shirt. This one's $27. It's one of those little short crop top type t-shirts. $30 will get you this 'Tis the Season t-shirt. 'Tis the season for HHN, that is. $15 for the Halloween Horror Nights keychain. $45 for the Halloween Horror Nights sweatpants. What you really want to see is this side stripe. And that focused. There you go. And it's a cinch there at the waist with the tie and kind of that cinching at the bottom of the leg as well. And maybe you want to pull the legs of the sweatpants up in order to display your $20 Halloween Horror Nights socks. $14 for the retractable lanyard. There's one side. The other side is where you keep your tickets or passes, and there's the retractable piece of it. These are multi-use decals. Use them over and over. $20 for this set. Looks like $35 for the Chucky poster. $29 for the Chucky Good Guys Turvis. $30 for the Oddfellows t-shirt. That's the back. The sleeve says Halloween Horror Nights. The front has a left chest logo or graphic. $28 for the Oddfellows cinch backpack. It's made of canvas, it feels like to me. Kind of a canvas feel to it. Has the zipper here for a little pocket. And then of course the inside and the drawstrings. Pretty nice backpack or cinch pack. Here's the shirt I showed you when we first walked in, but I neglected to show you the back. That was the front. There we go, there's the back. I'm your friend till the end. And there goes Marilyn. Let's see if I can get a kiss today. I did get a kiss today. Thank you, Marilyn. I heard something about the Jurassic Park Tribute Store. Let's go inside and see if it's true. It is true. No more Jurassic Park Tribute Store treats. The treat case has been removed. In Central Park, the Jungle Scare Zone. What is this? Is this the first HHN fog of the season? Oh, we're in the fog. We're in it. Oh my gosh. Ah, smells good. There it is. How about that? Well, that was unexpected, but it does segue well into me reminding you to check out the description box for your free RixFlix HHN Survival Kit. There's links in that survival kit for fog-scented candles and wax melts. Use the promo code RixFlix at checkout and save 15%. Construction walls have been removed, revealing the fact that the Woody Woodpecker pizza statue has been removed. In its place, some landscaping, foliage. If Universal still had a prop shop, I wonder if that Woody Woodpecker statue would be for sale. Let me ask you guys as we walk into Springfield, do you think there will be anything Halloween Horror Nights related in here this season? HHN 23, what do you guys think? Let me know. The Coke Refreshment Center, just past Krusty Land and very near MIB, has been decorated for Halloween Horror Nights. What? Let's give you a closer look. Cats and bats and Cokes, and you know, some of it kind of has a MIB feel, like this one right here with a jack-o'-lantern. That's got an MIB feel, right? An alien feel to it. There's even a large graphic on the door, like a cat-related graphic. I would say black cat, but obviously it's red. The same graphics have been put on the front counter. I was going to walk right by Diagon Alley, assuming there's no updates, but I better not assume. I better go inside and double check. Escape from Gringotts is a 40-minute wait. But other than that, no new updates. Pretty much business as usual until the Death Eaters come. And that will be happening on select nights, September 1st through November 4th. I would bet those select nights align with Halloween Horror Nights. As we enter San Francisco, we see some more elaborate HHN rigging. Some there, some along this way, and that way, and there the inn. Also another do not open live specimen container has been added. It's empty. Oh no! It's escaped. It's gonna get us during Halloween Horror Nights. Here on the outskirts of New York City, this beverage tent has been erected. This is usually the spot for Bloody Marys. We'll see if that's the case again this year. Also on the outskirts of New York City, the Blues Brothers. I know you too. You're on a mission, I'm on a different mission.
Tell our parole officer.
The Blues Brothers, I love those guys. I would show more of their show, but every time I do, I get a copyright strike, so I can't show their performance that often. First, the Blues Brothers come rolling by, and look who comes walking by. Back here in this kind of side street by Louis, they still have not moved the other Vamp 69 cars to the Vamp 69 Scare Zone there in New York City. We've got a Beetle back here, and a VW Bug. Oh, I guess that is Beetle and the Bug, same thing. But the van and everything. And then we have like the gang car. We saw the motorcycles, but here's the gang car. And a few more props back there that they're getting ready to move into New York City. It's getting real, and I'm getting the goosies. You know what this is, right? A Halloween Horror Nights wait time sign. Yes. Goosies galore. Here in New York City, the Vamp 69 Scare Zone, they put up the facade fast. Last time we were here, it was just the framing for the Halloween Horror Nights Tribute Store. But now the actual facade is up. Tribute, General, McPherson's Collectibles, Cards and Comics. Let's take a look inside the windows. Some of the comics do feature Earl the Squirrel, look at that. A Mardi Gras and a holiday Earl the Squirrel comic. Oh, what's this over here? Another one. More Oh, Earl. You can't stop him. Can't even contain him. And here's one for the creature from the Black Lagoon. Is that a little preview to a HHN house for next year? I hope so. Most definitely, this will be open on September 1st, but usually it's open a day or two before. Sometimes a pass holder preview. We'll see. We'll see if that happens again this year, but probably. And now, check out this award-winning transition from the McPherson's Collectible Cards and Comics Tribute Store to the Dr. Oddfellow's Carnival of Thrills gift shop at Islands of Adventure. If you hear this banging as I try to show you merchandise, it's because something is trying to get out of this box. 33, the banging, oh my goodness. $33 for this Little Boo t-shirt. Yes, I, oh my God. $33 for this Little Boo t-shirt. That's right, I said Little Boo. Check out the back. $33 for this Little Boo tank top. And yes, can you still hear the banging? This is gonna be fun. $45 for this Little Boo Halloween Horror Nights wall hang. $30 for the picture frame, and I was just talking to the team member. They just turned on that box today. We're wondering how annoying it's going to be. $60 for the hoodie. It's the same color as that tank top, the green, but the graphic is on the back. A pullover hoodie, Little Boo. I should have shown you the front graphic. There it is. $30 for the Little Boo pumpkin pillows. These are 1,000,000 times better than the ones they had last year. $37 will get you this Chucky shirt. And the Little Boo baseball cap is back. $28 this year. Here's a wall of masks. Right around, you know, like 45 bucks or so for a mask. Also, all of the merchandise I showed you at the 5 and Dime is available there without the constant knocking. My original plan for today allowed me time to use this Ruby ticket to express past Hagrid's, but because of the studio's updates, I don't have time for it now. If you're ever on Hagrid's and it breaks down bad enough to mess up your experience on the attraction, they will give you this Ruby ticket so that you can express it at your leisure. Welcome to Jurassic Park, where I know we have at least one update, something I saw during the midweek live stream. Hagrid's was a 70-minute wait, Velocicoaster 60. Subscribe! Did you hear what they said? They said subscribe. Please do so. Here in Jurassic Park, this area is now empty. It used to be home to a wall climbing experience. They had a wall climbing experience at Studios. They got rid of that months ago, and now this one's gone. You know what that means? The only one they want climbing a wall here at Universal Orlando Resort is Spider-Man. 25-minute wait. Scream, splash, and laugh. The Universal Orlando annual pass holder lounge, still no free water dispenser. Plus, they've taken away that little Coke freezy machine where you can make your own little freezy or slushy type Coke. That's gone now too. At the Midway Games, in between Toon Lagoon and Marvel, all the same prizes we saw last week. The Hulk is angry. I'm getting hangry. Let's go eat. And I hate to disappoint those of you who always look forward to the food reviews. I'm feeling a little nauseous. I think the heat has finally gotten to me. Just gonna skip out on lunch today, and we'll do a food review next time, I promise. Maybe a place we haven't done in a long, long time. So look forward to that. But as always, don't miss the magic, don't miss the fun. And we'll catch you next time.